What's up everybody, hope you're having an amazing day off. Tech Revealer is back again with another interesting video. We all know that iPhone 15 series is officially released a couple days ago and the market is stormed and overhyped with their unboxings, reviews and tutorials. But unfortunately, everyone is neglecting the great event that is about to take place in a few days from now, which is the Made in Google event 2023, in which we are going to witness the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro along with the super successful Google Pixel Watch 2. In today's video, we will be doing an unbiased analysis of these Pixel devices, bringing you some of the most important and exclusive details of these devices which could give you a new smartphone upgrade option rather than the boring iPhone 15 or Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It should be noted that the information shared in this video is exclusive to the viewers of Tech Revealer and cannot be found anywhere else on the internet. So stay with us till the end of the video. The Google Pixel launch is getting closer. We are just a week away from Google's scheduled product launch on 4th October. This time Google has done something special as they have already shared with us a sneak peek of their Pixel 8 series featuring the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. This official last-minute leak by Google helps us to get a confirmed thought on the design of Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro respectively. In the light of the official leak renders, the biggest upgrade in design is that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will be featuring a flat display instead of the curved one that was seen earlier on the Pixel 7 series. Apart from this, another major upgrade is that this time the screen size of the regular Pixel 8 is reduced to 6.17 inches rather than 6.32 inches display on the last generation Google Pixel 7. Overall, Pixel 8 is smaller than its predecessor, coming in with 150.5 x 70.8 x 8.9mm dimensions or 12mm of thickness with the camera array included. The Pixel 8 Pro meanwhile is likely to be closer in size to its predecessor since both phones will utilize 6.7 inches display. Another small update is that this time the camera bump will be larger and more protruding. Now heading towards the display specifications, thanks to full leaked store pages that we know, Google is planning to call its display technology Super Actua this year. That's a branding keyword likely meant to compete with Apple's Super Retina display, seemingly centered around improving brightness levels in direct sunlight. Leaked specifications for both phones show that the display brightness would be increased to 2000 and 2400 nits when outdoors, giving it a straight leap over the iPhone 15's display brightness. Moreover, the Pixel 8 will retain its 1080p display but with an upgrade to 120Hz, whereas the Pixel 8 Pro will use a 1440p LTPO OLED display with adaptive refresh rate, making it capable of going to as low as 1 Hz, which is something not possible on the smaller, cheaper model. Talking about the color options, the standard Pixel 8 will come in Obsidian, Hazel and Rose, while the Pixel 8 Pro color options include Obsidian, Porcelain and Beige. If you don't know about Google color schemes, that's a black, a greenish grey and a pink for Pixel 8 and black, white and blue for Pixel 8 Pro. By the way, would it kill Google to follow up Apple's lead on its color names here? Let us know the answer to this question down in the comments. Moving towards the performance, the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will be powered by the upgraded Google Tensor G3 working on 3nm technology, but one thing for sure is that if this technology would be actually implemented, then the performance will be quite close to the Apple's A17 Pro chipset installed in the iPhone 15 Pro. This chipset will also come with some modern touches first seen on devices powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 such as Wi-Fi 7 support. As for storage options, Google isn't providing us something special. Those leaked spec sheets show 128GB or 256GB of storage variants of the Pixel 8. The larger model on the other hand offers both 128GB and 250GB along with upgrades to 512GB or 1TB options. Unfortunately, both phones are still using UFS 3.1 storage, not the faster and newer UFS 4.0 storage seen on the Samsung's higher-end smartphones. As a result, data transfer speeds will be slower on the Pixel 8 series than the devices equipped with UFS 4.0, which is a disadvantage for content creators. Before jumping on to the main camera specifications, a new feature worth mentioning here is the built-in thermometer of Google Pixel 8 series. This feature is a contactless thermometer integrated in the smartphone's camera system that monitors your skin's temperature to help you determine if you're unwell or ill. Unfortunately, this feature appears to be exclusive to the Pixel 8 Pro and won't be seen on the cheaper model. A wise man once said, if you're discussing the Pixel 8 series, you can't ignore the camera. Externally, the most noticeable change we see in the Pixel 8 series is the new camera bar. Unlike the previous models, the camera lenses here are far more spread out across the device, giving each sensor some extra space and potentially helping to stop that nasty shattering issue we have seen on the last year's phone. On the Pixel 7 Pro, two cameras were grouped together with the third camera on its own separately. As far as the camera specs are concerned, Google built its successor to the Nexus program on its impressive photo capabilities, combining excellent hardware with cutting-edge software and AI-powered photo processing. The Pixel 8 Pro is using a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN2 main sensor along with an ultra-wide 64-megapixel IMX787, which is the same main sensor in the Pixel 7, and an 58-megapixel telephoto GM5 sensor. Also built into the camera array are the microphone, flash, and upgraded time-of-flight sensor for aiding with autofocus, and the thermometer which we discussed earlier. Additionally, the GN2 sensor, which is an upgrade of the GN1 sensor, is capable of capturing more light and details while improving shutter speed performance in low light settings. This new sensor is also capable of recording 8K video at 30 frames per second. Moreover, the ultra-wide sensor is also enhanced, giving sharper details and depth photos. All that said, the telephoto sensor remains unchanged, as does the 11-megapixel front-facing camera. Another small but interesting update is that the Google Pixel 8 series will be the first phones to ship with the stable Android 14 operating system. Android 14 was expected to launch in August, but it was delayed due to a bug fixing issue. And now, despite the fact we expected Android 14 to arrive in September, rumors now show that it would be released on October 4th, the same day in which Google will unveil the Pixel 8 in New York. Surprisingly, another small catch-up is that Google has also improved the software support, as Google Pixel 8 phones will continue to receive major OS and security patch updates for a longer period of 7 years, which is quite long than the earlier devices did. Lastly, as far as the launch date and price is concerned, as mentioned in the starting of this video, the Pixel 8 series will be officially unveiled on the Made by Google event scheduled for 4 October 2023. However, we expect these devices to be fully launched in the market by the mid or quarter of October 2023. Moving on to the price, the Pixel 8 seems to be priced at $700 for its base model, according to two different leaks. Meanwhile, the Pixel 8 Pro is either receiving a price increase to $1,000 or holding steady at $900. And this concludes our video for today. We believe that if you stayed with us till now, then you would have definitely enjoyed our video. And if you want to see similar interesting tech updates, then don't forget to subscribe to us and leave a like. Also, let us know in the comments about your opinion on these devices. Thank you for watching. We will see you in another video.